Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter, and if you will open the keyboard, all you have to do is simply enter the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and the settings should appear somewhere there. So let's enter the settings, and here let's tap on the languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on add keyboard in order to open the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it, and I will pick the graphic one in order to show you the difference. So let me tap on Arabic. Let's pick the region if you can. Here you've got the keyboard type, so it depends which one you'd like to set. I will leave this one. Just tap on done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences. From now on, the spacebar is not empty. Here we've got the name of the language we're currently using, and here we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm freely tapping English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic one. Let me tap on the globe icon again and English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. Now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need two different languages added. So let's go back to the settings, tap on the languages, and here we have to choose this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, so I will remove Arabic and tap on the trash bin icon again in the right upper corner. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only English left, so just like at the very beginning of this video, and the spacebar is empty. What's more, we do not have the globe icon, so it means that we can use only one language. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.